Hello guys, so today we're going to be playing Guess Your Animal, right?
Yes!
Dang!
I'm so
Okay.
childish.
So, and I also want to give a shout out to Uber Jason. I don't know what his Roblox username is, but he wanted a shout out, so I gave it to him. Okay, well, let's get started. Why? Okay. Holy lag. Okay.
Excuse me, we don't use our Jesus Christ.
You said holy.
Yeah, holy. Oh, not one.
Nope,
Not
Bella.
that one.
Bella, no. Come on. Over here.
Is that Bella?
Yes, that's Bella. Come over here.
Why is this Bella's world?
I'll be on the blue, I guess. Oh, Bella. We're trying to make a video, Bella.
Bella.
2 out of 2 players. I'm not in.
And my tablet.
I'm not in.
My tablet died.
And Alexa's tablet died.
Perfect. That's amazing.
Yeah, totally perfect and amazing.
Oh, and put your headphones on. Oh. Ellen just released new merch, so just check that out.
I did not.
You know how to crochet.
I do not know how to crochet.
He knows how to crochet, guys.
I need to get in crochet club next year.
You need to get in chorus because you don't know how to sing clearly. Bella joined in. She's just like...
Okay, finally. Someone got with me. Choose an animal.
Are you playing with Bella?
No, playing with a big bear, but that's fine.
A bacon pear? I wish they could see my face, but we have to get to 1,000 subs.
Yeah.
And then I have to show our face. And I forgot what Bella's face looked like and yours. Oh wait, I see it right now.
Cobra.
Is...
No way! I actually guessed that correct. Oh my gosh! Dang, I won. Let's go. Can you please stop? Choose an animal. What are you doing? Don't calm down.
Do a llama. She'll definitely not guess that.
What I'm gonna... Dang it. I didn't... Did I try Triceratops? What is that?
Headshot 2 to 3.
Isn't it a favorite thing like a cat?
Give me your
Don't laugh. Please don't.
Sorry. I just can't stop singing. I'm a singer. That's why I make chorus, Owen.
Let's see if you guess.
You should be playing with Bella. She's your friend too.
I am playing with Bella.
Oh, I thought you were playing with the bacon girl.
Yeah, but I won first try. It's a turtle, isn't it? Knew it. Knew it.
She likes turtles. She loves turtles, actually.
And now she's pouting. Never mind. I'm actually going to choose my animal.
Game. Play some game.
Not a game. I'll play with you. After this round with Bella, after I destroy her again. What if I pick a Spinosaurus? Please. Stop it. Please.
It won't be
I don't like singing.
Everybody knows that. No, Jibs, you love singing.
No, I don't.
We know that.
Give me girls.
Oh, you said gimme? Give me more.
No. She definitely knows what it is now. Review the place.
Every word you say is a song.
No, it's not. Oh, that's a bunny. Where's the bunny? Bunny. Found the bunny. Oh, she left. Yeah,
The game?
I guess so, because not in the thing with her. Hard mode. Go to hard mode.
No!
Yes.
You haven't even played with me yet.
Yeah, I have. No, I haven't. Come on, get in.
Where are you?
I'm at the hard level.
Give me more. Give me. Sorry. I can't stop. It's just.
I have a 2-win streak. Can you get that off my hands? You haven't even played with anyone.
I know.
Oh, everything's golden.
Ooh.
That's what makes it extra hard.
You're already done?
Yeah.
I'm looking for the perfect. I haven't even chose yet.
Yeah. If you run out of time, you don't click on time. Well, that means
Gonna surrender.
if you press surrender, you're not going to be able to guess what my animal is. I'll take a guess. Is it a golden retriever?
Nope.
Dang it. The golden retriever is already golden.
I already know what yours is.
What is it then? It revealed nothing.
I already know what yours is. Let me take a wild. If it's not this one, I know what it is. Let me take a wild guess. Okay, I know what it is now. Your thing gave me the only hint I needed.
Is that an elephant?
I don't even know what I chose.
Oh. Alright. Snail.
No. Give me more. Give me. I already know what yours is. You don't even need to. Yep,
Totally not a Spinosaurus.
Oh, and I already know what yours is.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Please tell me you don't.
I do. Oh, I have 12 seconds left to find. I'm not nerved. I'm not nerved. I don't know if this is for sure. I'm guessing.
Oh, woolly mammoth has spikes? Or is... I think I know what that is. Let me just find it. If it's a horse, darn it. Bro, you guessed mine as a woolly mammoth.
Be quiet. I don't even know what this is.
It looks like a chimpanzee bananini.
What the
No!
Yes!
Yours was a fox?
It was?
No, I'm pouting.
Oh, I'm doing the chicken dance.
Again.
Uh-huh. I
Again.
told you I knew it.
Again.
What did you do on my one?
I'm always on blue, and blue gives me good luck. Because my favorite color, blue.
Okay, I'm gonna go hard on you this time.
Well, so am I.
So am I.
No, I didn't pick in time. Did you pick in time?
No.
We both don't know. We both don't know. What did that even reveal?
Just guess. What?
Oh,
What just happened?
I clicked surrender. I didn't know what that meant.
Oh, why did you click it?
I didn't know what it did. Dang, we joined at the same time.
Give me more.
What if I just gave you like a 5 trillion win streak?
Ooh, I got the perfect one.
So do I.
I didn't even pick it.
Ah,
I was about to click it and then. Hi.
hi.
Why'd you say hi? I have a secret to tell y'all.
What?
Alexia already knows it. Do not tell him. Oh, secret? From earlier? I told you this morning you said he won't be shot. Oh, yeah. You know that.
I won't be what?
You guessed it?
Yeah, it was a Mosasaurus.
Okay, you ready to hear the secret?
Yeah, sure.
I forgot what you said. Okay, so my sisters.
Wait. Sorry about that, guys. Honestly, what did that
Look
reveal?
how fast I'm doing Gabriella, guys.
Cool, totally cool.
It is cool. Thank you, Owen.
No, it's not.
Owen, unlike you can't even do that. Yeah, you can't even do it. So you shouldn't be taught. Yeah.
Bernachiosaurus.
It's 32. Oh, Alexia, I know which one's that is. Oh, and I know yours is already. I think you have the same one.
We don't have the same one.
Oh, and I already know what yours is.
No!
Can I play?
What is that? A shark?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you play together?
Mm.
I'm gonna jump into the water. Oh, I can't. Come on, won't you make it stop? Oh, I can't stop singing. Make it stop. Make it stop.
Okay, stop.
Ever gonna stop? Oh. Excuse me. I didn't even get to choose mine in time. So even I don't know what mine is. What money do y'all have?
Huh?
Oh, I can't stop singing. Make it stop. Make it stop. Is it?
Yeah, please stop.
Just a crop. I can't stop singing. So let's just talk.
Crocodile? No. That looks like a crocodile. Why is it not?
I already know what Bella's is.
No. Do you know what mine
We
is?
all know what yours is. It's an elephant.
No, it's not. It's a woolly mammoth. It's a woolly mammoth.
It's an elephant.
It's a woolly mammoth.
It's an elephant, I think.
No, it's a woolly mammoth. That doesn't even have eyes.
I know what yours is. What? I can't tell because Owen's gonna learn it. Bella.
I don't know what mine is.
I know yours is. I can't stop singing.
Yours is a lizard.
I told you it was an elephant.
She can't see. She guessed.
I can't stop singing.
Can you see me? Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you. Oh, and why are you in my camera?
Can you see her thing? Can you see her thing, Bella?
I have 3 seconds left. I'm just gonna guess.
Can you see her thing?
Oh, Bill, I already know what yours is. Don't.
Yeah, I also think I know what that is.
Yeah. Don't say it. I'm trying to find it though.
Can you guess what this? I'm gonna cross it.
Bella?
Give me this play 5 times. What am I climbing on exactly? What am I climbing on? This is gonna be hard for you to guess, Bella.
Oh, right. I can already guess y'all's.
Oh no, you're never guessing mine, Bella.
Don't worry, I already know. Oh, you should know what this is.
No, I didn't get a first guess in time. That revealed absolutely nothing. You click surrender.
Oh, I'll call y'all back. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I can't stop singing.
We both have a 2-win streak, Alexia.
Let's see whose streak was. I bet yours.
It ain't gonna end.
You want to lose your streak.
What I'm gonna do is next time I play with Bella or next time I play with Alexia, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna black out my animal.
Owen?
Yeah? What?
I said you have to Hey guys.
I don't remember what mine is, honestly. I forgot.
You forgot? I forgot what mine.
If we picked the same thing, but I don't know if we did.
No!
I picked the same thing! Oh my gosh.
Oh, you made my tablet.
You can do that until I get a call.
Whee.
No, Owen made my tablet.
Now who am I going to play with?
Wait, funny dude.
Okay. I have $1,000.
I have more.
How much do you have?
2,000.
2,000?
2001.
I almost have 3,000. Never mind.
I thought you said you only wanted.
I tricked you. Oh no, I actually do have 3,000. 3,002.
You have like 1,001 more than me.
Ow.
Hands up to you.
What is there in the shop? Send your cash? Nah. Oh no, my tablet.
Your tablet died?
No, it fell.
Right.
I'm gonna play with someone random.
Oh, and I'm literally joining you right now, Owen.
Oh.
Update chat. Owen,
What do you want?
I have a pickle.
Yay!
I just kidding.
No.
Owen,
What?
I have your favorite kind of chips
Where?
in my house.
What are they?
Sardines.
No.
Sardine chips.
Come to the easy part.
The easy part.
Mm-hmm. Come find me.
Don't let somebody join.
I'm not. Then you're like flying on my screen.
I know.
How do you know?
Because it's on my screen.
Choose my animal. I think I chose mine in time. Hope I did.
Owen, you can't be lying on me now. They have color now, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so it's brown. I think I already found it.
No.
That has two pieces of it. I'm so confused. Oh, and I swear, we picked the same thing.
No, we didn't. You pick a shotgun.
Nope.
Darn it. Not shotgun. I want some shotgun right now. Can someone give me some shotgun?
I already know what yours is, though.
Okay, if you see, okay, so I don't know if y'all can see, but on the side of my screen, on the right side of my screen, you can see erase half the wrong answers, shuffle your tiles, reveal answer. And I am going to troll her soon. So stick around so I can troll her. I think I know which one yours. I think I know which one yours is.
What?
I'll say when the time is right.
Oh. That's... I can't find what I'm looking for. Let me guess.
No.
Oh, that's not it. No, I can't find what I'm looking for.
Never mind. I don't think I know which one yours is.
I know which one I picked.
Where is it? Oh no. No, I do know. I do know which yours is.
No, what is it?
I will tell you when the time is right. And you might know what mine is.
And now I know what yours is. That gave me all of the information I needed, Owen.
No.
Owen, that gave me all the information I needed.
No! I knew yours was a guinea pig. Nyla is Victor.
Oh, and I have 4,000. How much do you have?
3,002.
I have 1.4K.
Ah! 1.4K?
Yeah.
I thought you said you had 4,000.
Yeah.
Not 1,000.
No, I have 1.4.
Huh.
Why do they all have to be gold? That just makes it harder.
That's why it's called hard mode. Silly.
No, I didn't get my
I'm gonna show her in hard mode. But not right now. Like 2 rounds later. Yeah. Just stick around. That gave you no information.
But I can still guess.
Randomly.
Yes. Yes.
And I also got nothing.
Yeah, that's what you get.
I honestly forgot what mine was.
Everybody gets it right.
Uh-huh. Like actually, I forgot. What if we guessed the exact same thing?
Stay away from my crumble juice.
Is it a cow? Darn it.
I don't even know what mine is.
Did you not guess in time?
No.
Uh-huh.
What? I'm gonna say you had.
No! You had a dog!
I had a dog. I got 2.
Victor! I guess the creator of this game did not know how to spell victory. Or they just did it short for, or they just did victory short. I guess they just did Victor for short for
They're
victory.
gonna do Victor for sure. They could have at least done Vic.
Yeah. Koala.
Not Victor.
Huh. Look for a ring.
I'm gonna buy.
Next round is going to be.
I have mine over.
I know what yours is. I know. It's a cobra.
My stream.
Now it's time for me to show her.
You took my stream.
Let's go to easy.
Yeah.
Now I can spend Robux.
I
What in the world was that?
don't know.
I don't need my lucky color.
No. Oh yeah.
I don't need my lucky color for this one. No!
Oh yeah. What is wrong with this guy? Oh, join mine. Hurry.
Okay, fine.
That took forever. I think it's the same.
Maybe.
Choose the color who you are, you're a loser.
I'm gonna do this one.
I'm gonna do this one. Hand gloss Gabriella.
I'm gonna spend
I wanna buy
9 Robux on black
out so
ammo.
bad. What is that?
I forgot what I took.
Owen. Oh, I might think of a goal.
How'd you know? I even blacked out my animal.
You blacked out your animal.
Yes.
It glitched and I saw something white on the top. So I thought it was a bull for it to
Easy mode. Why did I click leave?
I don't. No.
I'm gonna spend 9 more Robux.
No, you clicked blackout. That's the first try. No, I didn't mean to press that.
I'm just letting mine go. Cause I honestly just wanted to be like,
Now you know what mine is.
Neither do I. I didn't pick in time.
Why do blackout again?
Because
What is wrong with you?
nope. I literally don't even know what I chose.
What do you mean?
I didn't have time.
Please, just give me a chance.
Okay, I'll give you a chance.
Yay! Why am I laughing? You gave me a chance. I like a bullet.
Yeah. What even is mine? Because I don't know.
Me neither, but I'm gonna take a wild guess.
Don't know. Nope, I guess.
You know what? You could just win. I don't even care.
Okay. Koala.
Nope.
Wait, what? If you guess mine again when mine is blackout, I might crash out.
But by the by the way of your design,
Don't you act smart.
Oh, I will if you want.
Because I don't even know mine.
Your outline, I'm guessing a lion.
Don't know. Oh, let's go. Do you want a chance?
Yes, I want a chance.
Okay, yeah, I actually think I know which one yours is.
Okay, just guess it.
Is it a frog?
Were you guessing or did you
No. I gave you another chance.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want another chance?
Another chance.
You want no more chances for you, Missy. That was mine.
What was yours?
I think mine was a hamster. Okay, let's go again.
I picked a hamster. I'm gonna pick an animal that's nice and cheerful and loves to be around people. If you know what I mean.
I did not guess in time, and I'm not gonna black out my animal this time.
I don't trust you. Alright, go ahead.
See, didn't black mine out. What is that?
I already know what it is, Ben. I'm not gonna give you any more chances.
Okay, for each round, I'm going to troll her harder and harder. Blackout with it's just a little, not much. So.
Do you know what mine is?
I think I might, but I was talking to myself too much. Honestly, don't know what mine is.
You don't know your own animal is?
I literally didn't guess in time.
I'm gonna guess a seal.
Nope.
Stop. I know your animals.
And since I blacked out, twice,
You already know what mine is.
since I blacked out twice, I'm not actually going to do a troll this time.
What is that?
Oh, I know what mine is. I know what mine is. How? How?
That looks like mine.
Yes.
How do you not know what mine is? Wait, you're
Hold up, wait. What was the outline of yours again?
I can tell you. Because I don't even know myself. I
Oh, I forgot the color. I'll be right back.
Okay. Welcome to Baby, what else you I'm thinking you like you. What's the time? No, he's gone. Wait, is it gone? Come on, get me something good.
I'm back, everyone.
You lost your chance.
Huh?
Yes!
I thought mine was an elephant.
And doing the chicken dance.
Now it's time for another troll. Oh,
Wait,
right.
let's go to hard mode.
Nah,
Okay, let's go. What? Dude. Oh, get out of there.
come on.
Do you want your lucky color now?
No, I don't need luck. Where are you?
Mine. I'm right here, Owen.
Oh. I get it.
Oh, look how fast I can do it. I'm a diva.
Bruh.
Did you say I'm not a diva?
I said bruh.
How dare you?
All I said was bruh. What if I just guessed yours first try next round?
What if I guess yours first try?
That gave me literally nothing.
Like,
How?
That literally gives me no information.
Give you feet. No! You're the zebra.
I told you, what if I guess it first try? I literally guessed it first try. I'm so good.
You're not.
Like,
Silver animal.
what if I rob Bella to get all her Robux?
How do you even do that?
I told, give me the money now. And do this.
What did I pick again?
For her for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours.
No, don't. You're the T-Rex.
Nope.
Dang it. I remember what I picked.
I think I do know what you picked.
Nope.
I think I do. I think it's a cat.
What if I just guessed yours right now?
Please don't.
But just telling you, what did I did? Is it a Bronchiosaurus?
No!
Let's go!
I told you I knew it. I knew it.
I said, what if I guessed yours?
What if I guessed yours second or first try?
You're not gonna do that because I'm gonna pick the hardest one there possibly is.
The hardest one that possibly did. Okay, I think I know what yours is.
What?
You said the hardest O, and I know what yours is.
No, you don't!
I'm not gonna guess it first try, but I'm gonna guess it. I'm not gonna, like I said, I know it's green, so I'm not gonna guess it first try or second try, but I'm gonna guess it.
No, my headset. No.
Oh, I know what yours is. Owen, you said.
Yours was a wolfie.
Yep. Owen, do you want to play again?
This is the last time.
Whoever wins this gets to punch them
No.
in the game.
How would you even do that?
Just go up to you and just smack you in the face.
I don't even know what I picked.
I saw you pick blackout.
I didn't.
Let's see. Oh, no, you didn't. Owen,
What?
don't tell me I already know what you're doing.
Okay, one more time.
No, I would.
One more time.
No, that was totally fair.
No, one more time.
Fine. Whoever wins this one.
Whoever wins this wins all. And I might even give you some Robux.
Yes, you have to give me Robux.
But you need to make a stand and please donate.
Okay.
I guessed in
Last
time.
Owen tried to give me some Robux. It didn't work out.
Yeah, I needed to pay real life money.
Oh, give me some money, dude. Give me.
No,
I think you already know what mine is.
but I didn't guess.
Oh, and I already know what yours is. Sorry, buddy, but
Please, please, please.
I'm gonna guess.
Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go.
I think you already know what mine is.
That revealed nothing. Great.
You don't know what mine is?
Pony. Yeah. Let's go.
I don't have any Robux.
You don't have to give me Robux.
Oh,
I don't-
there's a bird on my porch.
Wow.
It flew away. Oh, man.
Oh no.
Wait,
Wait, how much money do you have? How much money do you have?
15K.
How do you have 15K?
How much do you have?
I only have like 4.55K.
Owen, it's time to end the video. I beat Owen, by the way.
Okay, we get it. But I guess that's going to be to the... Why do I always start at the end? Well, I guess that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And thank y'all for watching. I will see everyone in the next one. Bye.
Bye.